When Excel is opened, it gives us the option to choose between opening an existing file, which is done on the left side of the screen, and opening a new workbook, which is done on the right side of the screen. I will choose to open a new workbook by clicking the option Blank Workbook. As you can see, a new workbook is opened. The name of this workbook is shown in the header of the Excel window. And Excel named it Book 1. I will use this workbook to enter the sales for the first 3 months of the year. Now, I need to save this information, so I'll follow the steps shown on the screen. I start by clicking the File menu. Second, I select Save. Third, I click Browse. As you can see, a new window called Save As is opened. The Save As window is shown whenever you try to save a workbook that you have not named yet. The name Book 1 was assigned by Excel and not by me. Just like in Windows Explorer, the Save As window has 2 panes. The left pane helps us choose where to save the workbook, and the right pane shows the contents of what was selected in the left pane. Fourth, I select the folder where I want to save the workbook. Fifth, in the File Name box, I type in the name for the workbook. Finally, I click the button Save. As you can see, the chosen name is now displayed in the header of the Excel window. Now, I'll modify the values entered in January and February and follow the steps shown on the screen to save the workbook. So, I click the File menu. Second, I select Save. As you can see, the Save As window does not pop up. This is because I've already named the workbook and Excel knows where to save it. So, no further actions are required to save the workbook. Hi there! You've landed at the right place because we have what you need to transform you from an Excel novice to an Excel guru at your workplace in no time. Don't waste time and sign up for the free Excel tutorial today. Take a chance and enjoy your journey to a better life. Sign up at www.excelatwork.org.